Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to check your SMS message history. Now in previous videos, we have looked at the whole bulk SMS feature as a whole and also talked about all the basic SMS functionalities that are available. One thing we should note about the bulk SMS feature is also that there's a backlog of all the messages that you send, so that if at a point in time you want to be sure that a particular message was sent, or you want to check the number of messages that actually went out to a particular customer, or randomly you just want to see how the message SMS the messages are going, you are actually able to do so. Okay, so then in order to do that, okay, we go to the main menu. When you click on the main menu, you see the bulk SMS and marketing feature over here. When you click on it, there's a drop down, okay, and then you click the SMS message history. Okay, so once you do that, okay, you are able to see all the messages that you have sent. Okay, so you're able to know. So if you're sent, from the sender ID, okay, that you used. Okay, you're also able to know the number, okay, that you sent to, and then here's the status message or the status message. It says I sent to 1 of 1. Okay, it means that it was sent to this person. 1 of 1 means that it was a success. Usually if it wasn't a success, you see something like this. Okay, 0 of 1. Okay, so over here you can easily tell that the reason why this couldn't go was because, okay, this isn't a proper contact, okay, that the message can be sent to. So the message didn't actually, it wasn't actually successful. Okay, so this is how you are able to check your SMS your SMS messages to your client. Okay, so again, I hope you enjoy. The bulk SMS feature is there for you to help you, get to reach out to your customers, build, a much more solid bond, okay, and be able to at every point in time keep them close and keep them up to date, okay, on their engagement with your shop and every other thing that has to do with your relationship with them and their relationship with the shop. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. There are more of these available videos for you, so do well to check them all out. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.